guys, today we're going to do a decorative mirror. One way is you can use beads and stones. So I choose my toys. So these are the stuff you'll need to make one. You'll need some Lego and figurines, some glue, and a mirror. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll have to do is line them up like you want them to. Then you glue them because you want them to be straight. Don't you want that, guys? So make sure that it's like separated from each other. I'm using Pokemon, Avengers, the Lego Movie, Minecraft, and SpongeBob. And there's a special one. So the last row is over here. Do it. Make sure to let dry for 24 hours. I'm now just gonna dip them in like this. It's so funny. Just dipping them in like. You know what? This one I'm just gonna use this. So I only just made it. So guys, I'm almost done. All what I have to do is just a few more. So guys, it is done. So here's a closer look at it. Let's get this guy better. There we go. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And there you have it. See you in a bit. Bye.